Hi, I am the CEO of DSOL Global United Kingdom. We have been invited by the Department of Civil Engineering and the Office of International Relations. We are here to deliver the course on IoT in Civil Engineering, which is an interdisciplinary expertise course. The participation of the students in this course of IoT in Civil Engineering has been overwhelming from the day one. They have been understanding the various aspects of IoT architecture, sensors, and software development. They have produced various prototypes within the short span of understanding this IoT in civil engineering. IoT for Civil Engineering is a very unique course which has been designed by industry standard, where we bring in various aspects of civil engineering combined with the fundamental concept of software and electronics. And the enthusiasm of the students to receive something completely different has been overwhelming, and also the students have been thinking of various projects which was really promising, that how they can be a real and responsible engineers when they deliver these projects in real life.
My name is Dipshika Havaldar and I am from Civil Department 3rd year. So first of all, I would like to thank our Civil Engineering Department and International Relations to give us an opportunity to learn about IoT in Civil Engineering. I have learned a lot in the basics of IoT, about the sensors and even the coding as well.
My name is Karvin Vivian Rambai and I am from Civil Engineer student, Weltech University. We have learned how to implement. We have learned how to analyze, how to monitor, how to understand the different steps of coding required for each and every sensor. Digitalize source of technologies to implement it in civil engineer, as we can use different type of sensor to be on the bridge, on the building, which can be helpful for us civil engineer, environmental engineer in any platform to increase the prevention disaster happen.
I personally like to thank the Department of Civil Engineering and Dean of the International Office, Dr. Suresh, for their encouragement and invitation to deliver this wonderful course in Weltech University.